We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hey there YouTubers, it's your girl Brett over here at Onyx. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your scanner glass, and I'm working with an HP LaserJet Pro MFP M276nw. So first thing first, you want to lift this up, grab your favorite glass cleaner and a lint-free cloth. When you're cleaning the scanner glass, you never want to put the solution onto the glass. I'd hate for you to damage something, so I always like to put it on my rag. So you'll clean it. Sometimes you will see pen marks or even whiteout marks, so if they're still on there after cleaning, go ahead and just wipe it down again. If you're seeing more defects when you're using the top part, you want to focus on the little strip of glass. If you're seeing defects when you're printing with the flatbed, then you'll want to focus more on the bigger piece of glass. If you're cleaning the glass and you still see defects, it's probably time to bring your printer in for a service. If you guys are in need of any supplies or quotes, give your girl Brett a call and have a great day.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.